Meaning of fruit salad.
Fruit salad.
Fruit salad.
Fruit salad.
Fruit salad. A fruit salad is a dish made of various types of fresh fruits that are chopped or sliced and mixed together. It is a healthy and refreshing dessert or snack that can be enjoyed in any season. The versatility of a fruit salad allows for endless possibilities when it comes to the combination of fruits used. Common fruits found in a fruit salad include strawberries, blueberries, bananas, watermelon, and grapes. The brightly colored fruits in a fruit salad are not only visually appealing but also provide a variety of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for overall health and well-being.